Hello friends, my name is Tanvi Taravia. Today I would like to talk about student life, so please listen to me carefully. Student life is best part of our life. Student life is best important our future. A student learn many things from book, but he has to enter the real life after student life is over. So he need practical knowledge of things. he can our he can our English language, Gujarati language, and many language in student life. Student life is filled friendship, sports, uh, teaching, studies, and fun. Student life is called golden life, and student age called student golden age. Student so student life is very important our future because uh, student life is a future. Thank you so much. Listen to me carefully.